Good morning. I'm going to show you how your backup order works with Plexus. The first thing that you need to do is go to your back office, and the way that I do that is up in my address bar I type shopmyplexus/J Warman. That's my website that I send people to, and when I get to that screen, I'll just show you. It takes me to this page, which is what my customers see also when I send them here. And I'm going to click the Ambassador and Preferred Customer Login. Now, if you're not sure what that address is, you can talk to me and I'll find that for you because I can tell you what that address is. If not, you can just go to this address right here, backoffice.plexusworldwide.com. And you received 2 emails from Plexus when you first signed up. And those emails had your username and password that you chose in those emails. So I'm going to log into my back office now. And this is what your back office looks like. And the way that I'm going to go to my backup order is by clicking on Shopping and go down to backup orders. Now it's very important that you have your backup order turned on. And I'm going to explain the 2 different types of backup orders and why it's important to have that turned on whether you're ordering from it or not. I need to agree to this. I have a backup order currently set up. You may not receive this message the first time, but this is just telling me that customers have 60 days to return their product as long as it's in the original packaging. As an ambassador, I have 5 days to return my products, and they must be in a resellable condition because I'm an ambassador, not a customer, not a retailer preferred customer. Go ahead and click Continue. Now this is the backup order that I currently have set up. And if you don't have a backup order, then you're going to have a button here that says Add a new backup order. And I can also do that here, so I'm just going to show you what that looks like. When I click on that, there are 2 different types of backup orders, unconditional and conditional. This unconditional is what I have because I use my backup order as an auto ship. I want this product, my triplex combo, to come to me every month. And I get to choose the day that gets shipped out and charged to my debit card. And that gets sent out to you regardless of any other sales that you have. The next option is conditional, and I know a lot of people that choose the conditional option. This is if you want to place that order yourself every single month and you're making at least 1 sale of 100 PV. So you'll notice on this triplex combo I have in my backup order that the volume, the PV, is 101. That's a point value, a pay value. And as soon as I reach that 100, I am commission qualified. So anything over that 100 PV, I am receiving a commission on that. And I could go into the compensation plan, but I really want to focus right now on the backup order. And you, by the way, you get paid on your own products. You get paid a commission on your own products as long as you have your backup order turned on. So we're going to choose conditional in this option. And remember, this is not going to be sent to you each month under conditional unless you go in and create an order or unless you fall beneath that 100 PV. And so here are our options for different backup orders. And I'm sure that I passed the one that I want. There it is. Plexus Triplex. That's just the one I'm choosing. You can choose whatever you want on here as long as it's 100 PV. You'll notice that this is 101 PV. And so I'm going to click Add to Backup. Now I'm going to go to my backup checkout. Now if you wanted to continue shopping, you could. Now this is a conditional auto ship, and what does conditional mean again? It means that this is not going to be sent to you each month. The only way it will be sent to you is if you do not sell enough product to your customers, and I don't mean selling as in me buying the product and selling it. I mean having preferred customers or retail customers and they're buying products. And notice it already has my information in here. You may need to go in and fill this out, but right here you can change this date. Now this is set for day 23 because today's day 23, but I can go to edit and I can choose a date that's much later in the month, in February or even down into March. I can choose a date, and at any time I can come in here and change this, and my auto ship is still turned on, so I'm going to change it to March 18th just so you can see how that works. So it says, are you sure you want it to process on March 18th? Yes. Now my auto ship is still on, but it's for the 18th of March. I would need to enter a verification code for my card, and I'm not going to do that right now. But there I have my backup order set up. Now I can go in and I can see who has a backup order set up and who doesn't. And I'm just going to strongly encourage you. Obviously, I'm not demanding that. This is your business. You being an ambassador, you purchased $34.95 worth of website and wholesale cost. So it's important that you kind of learn these things. Even if you're just a wholesale customer, it's important that you have that backup order turned on, even if you're not actually ordering products each and every month. You'll notice here I went to my dashboard and I have 451 of PV. That's point value or pay value or personal volume. I'm not really sure exactly what the PV stands for. I should probably look that up. But I'm well over that 100 PV. 100 of that is mine. I purchased. The rest of that are purchased by other customers that I have. These are not the ambassadors. These are not all of you who are watching this video. These are my customers, the people who are buying this as a preferred customer or a retail customer. And so it's really important that you have that backup order turned on, because then you're auto qualified. Now I'm going to earn a commission off this product. And I do know that I have another customer who will be ordering before the end of the month. And I'm not sure what that date is. I've heard the 25th. I've also heard it's that final Friday in the month. So I'm not positive on that date. But once this reaches $500, I earn 25% commission. So off these sales. I'm also making money off these points right here. So currently what I've been earning every month is enough money to pay for my product and my husband's product and still have some money left over. If I did not have my backup order turned on, I could not earn that commission. So it's very important. Please, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.